Imagine waking up to a stillness that shocks you. The Earth has stopped spinning. No sound, no warning. What would happen? First, let's grasp the problem. If Earth halted its rotation, oceans surge. Half the planet burns, the other half faces perpetual darkness. The process begins here. Our planet spins at about 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. This movement defines our reality. What if it suddenly ceased? Every object not anchored would keep moving. Air would whip sideways, reaching hurricane speeds. Waves surge, creating tsunamis towering hundreds of feet. Coastal cities vanish in moments. Now, consider why this matters. The spin isn't just for show. It's a balancing act for gravity, current flows, weather patterns, our very existence. Removing that rotation changes everything. The magnetic field collapses. Radiation floods in. Satellites become useless. Our navigational tools, compasses, fail instantly. Also, think about the Earth's shape. The equator bulges because of the spin. If that stops, oceans shift toward the poles. Greenland disappears, Florida is underwater. A new world emerges overnight. Picture the survival zone. Humanity must migrate to the twilight ring. This thin strip of land is all that remains. Dusk forever, the sun eternally lingering on the horizon. In this scenario, we adapt. Crops would be grown under artificial lights. Power would come from underground heat. All nations compressed into one area, circling the dying world. Yet, the sky feels wrong. The winds won't change. Stars are stationary, and you start to wonder, has time stopped too? We're creatures of rhythm. Our heartbeat, breathing, everything syncs with Earth's rotation. Without it, chaos reigns. Lunacy replaces sleep, as natural rhythms collapse. New societies emerge. Some worship the sun, others the darkness. Humanity splits into sun dwellers and shadow keepers. In twilight cities, deep discussions arise. Philosophers ponder a profound question. Did the Earth stop, or did we? Now, can this scenario happen? Naturally, no, the force needed to stop Earth is unthinkable. We're speaking of a massive 6.4 septillion tons. But the imagination knows no bounds. An enormous asteroid could alter the spin, or a rogue planet could collide with ours. Our actions may one day affect this. Planet-scale engines or core manipulation are concepts for the future. A single wrong step could disrupt Earth's balance. Sometimes, the important question isn't can it happen, but should we try? Interestingly, Earth is gradually slowing. Tidal friction between the moon and oceans steals energy. Every century, we gain milliseconds. Eventually, Earth and moon lock in place. One side basking in daylight, the other forever dark. Billions of years away, though. And when that day arrives, not an apocalypse. Instead, it's equilibrium, the birth of silence. Perhaps, in that profound stillness, something new begins. Right now, Earth spins on. But every motion has an end. Every system slows. Deep inside the world's molten core, maybe it already knows. Next time on the What If Files, ponder this. What if memories were currency? Could you sell your childhood for a fortune, and would you remember why?